What's going on, guys? Welcome on back to Matt DIY. So in today's video, we're going to get the front end taken off of the Ford Focus. We're going to pull the headlights, pull the bumper, and also that bent up fender. So let me show you what we're going to be working on. Alright guys, the goal for today, while we're waiting for parts, is to go ahead and get this damaged stuff off. So we're going to go ahead, get this fender all unbolted. We're going to take the headlights out because I'm actually replacing those. And then the whole entire front bumper as well is going to come out. It's just a couple bolts on each side and fasteners and things like that from underneath and on top. And I'll show you kind of what I'm doing along the way. But shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully within the next 30 minutes or so we'll have this all taken off. And I think I'm going to separate the bolts as I do it and mark them in like little bags or something. That way I know what goes where and it'll be easy for reassembly. So let me go ahead and get you guys set up. I think I'll start with the headlights. Alrighty guys, got it all off. There's the fender off, couple hidden screws, nothing too bad. The worst part is the bumper design, because you gotta kind of get underneath, or you gotta get like in between behind the headlight to get to the bolts that hold the bumper on. So that's a little interesting. But what's nice is looking under here, I don't see any damage whatsoever. So it seems like all the damage was limited to that fender, which is nice. This all looks straight. It doesn't look like it has any issues, so that's pretty good news. Don't have to really straighten up anything or do anything there compared to the other side. It's just going to be bolting on the new parts, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, changing out that side marker light bulb, putting new headlights in. Ooh, sorry, dripping. It's a little hot out here today, but yeah, got it all taken off. There's little parts over there. So now we can just wait for the new parts to come in. Next video will probably be fender's got to go first before the bumper, so probably the fender and bumper will be next. I'm probably going to shoot a video on the air filter too, because the factory air filter is getting replaced. Luckily this didn't get broken, the factory air tube that goes right here. But I think I'm going to film a video just to show how the air box goes back on underneath with the aftermarket system compared to the Ford OEM system that probably doesn't even exist anymore, but that lifetime thing that is not lifetime. So I'll probably show that repair before I put everything back on. So, but yeah, there she is, disassembled. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hot one out here today, but I got the front end disassembled, so we just gotta wait for new parts to come in and we will be good to go, starting to put this thing back together. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Like the video if you enjoyed it, drop a comment down below if you have questions, if you're working on something similar or whatever you might need help with. I'd be happy to help. And subscribe to the channel if you like car projects like this and other things of this nature as well that I upload to the channel. Without further ado guys, until next time, always get out there, do it yourself.